Get him, Miley! Get him, Miley! Get him, Miley! Get him!
That makes you really dizzy.
You're like Marty McFly when he goes crazy on the stage.
Ball, ball.
So she's like, Dad, are you okay? Dad? Dad? My mom's just stretching to Slayer.
It's the best way.
The only way. She looks really happy.
You like Slayer. You like Slayer. Alright, I wanted to show you guys this. You guys have been posting it in our comments a lot, but you know, like every once in a while there's always comment spam, and it always says like, do this and then do this and then it'll be awesome. Or anyway, like I know that's a really bad explanation. But okay. So if you type in, let's see if I can do this. If you go to Google Translate, so it's like translate.google.com. Alright, so if you type in, will Justin Bieber ever hit puberty, right? English to Vietnamese, hit translate, and then it gives you this. So then you copy and paste this, right? Copy it, paste it over here. Paste. Wait, what the heck did I just do? Okay, paste, and then go to Vietnamese, back to English, and then hit translate. It says that. So I don't know if that is Google being funny and playing a joke, or if literally there's like no way to translate that to Vietnamese. You know what I mean? So I don't know. If you guys know any more information or any other cool little tricks, because I like to always like share those. But this has been going around the comments for a while, and I just wanted to show you. I thought it was funny. I know before you say all the oh, you suck, you hate Justin Bieber and things like that. I didn't write it. I just thought I'd show it to you. So yeah. Oh, and also, if you haven't seen our new skit on the youtube.com/CharlesTrippy channel, the new video called The Haunted Printer, I'm giving away three awesome printers to you guys. So at the end of this video, make sure to go check that out. And just basically the way I'm going to pick the winner is through comments. So the more comments you leave, the more of your chances. It's like kind of like buying lottery tickets, I guess. Your odds of winning are greatly improved by the more comments you leave. So, and I'll announce it here in a couple days. What the heck? Okay, Zoe has a fixation with catnip. Look at this. She's been eating Kitchen's catnip, like constantly. I don't think it has the effect as it would with a cat, but she really likes it. So I was getting high. Don't forget to bring a towel. Chinese fire drill. Woo! Hey, how's it going? Woo! What the fuck are you doing? And everyone's just like, what the hell just happened? Always look both ways and be aware of your surroundings when you do that. Please, don't get hit by a car. We're professionals.
All the way around.
You went halfway. That was awesome. Parking fail. Parking fail. Parking fail. International Mall, the home of parking fails.
You're in front of her now.
I was gonna do the big reveal.
Hide behind Charles. Okay, yeah, unveil it.
And Jenny.
Hello. They just found us when we walked into the mall. Show them your phone. It's so sad. It's such a sad thing.
Yeah.
Almost dancing
at a gas station.
Check out the pants.
I know, excellent pants. Very, very great fashion sense. So they found us and said hi. Thanks for saying hi. Where is she? Okay. We just saw my friend Liza, and we're gonna scare the shit out of her. Can we go get her? We just saw her walking through the mall. We were like, we're gonna go get her in the bathroom. Go scare him. We got him!
Fine, freak.
Whoa! You're supposed to be freaking out right now.
Go the other way. Sitting on the heel is so fun.
That is pretty weird. Dare I say it's trippy. Alright, we're going to the Apple store. Dot is getting a new computer. And then we got two, PC. PC!
Yeah. Build it, baby, don't buy it.
And you're nervous.
I'm nervous. Chelsea's gonna help me though.
Yes.
Is this your first computer purchase by yourself?
No, Justin took me last night.
Oh, nice.
This is the second, well this is the first one outside of college.
Yes, true.
Oh boy,
So
big
now
girl.
it's your whole new life. And making movies. It's very exciting. Allie gets excited about jeans. I get excited about computers. You gonna cry? Think of all the awesome movies that you'll be able to edit on that now. Daily Booth. See if you guys can find it.
Lovely. I like your face.
And look at Allie, she's over here in Daily Booth.
Oh my god, I'm on Twitter. Are you tweeting with your Twitter?
I'm twittering.
You're twittering? Twatting. How do you turn them on?
It won't work.
Oh, it probably says, will explode if turned on.
Does not hold a charge.
Oh, of course. None of them work.
You are beating.
I'm beating you. Beating you. Will I win? Oh, your mom's winning. Oh, you did. So we had a bet on if this Louis Vuitton store was a Swatch store. And who won? Who won the bet?
You won, Charlie.
Yes. I'm gloating. I'm gloating because I'm never right.
You never win.
So.
Oh, we need to go straight.
What? You try to put it in my pocket?
I was going to.
I knew it.
Since Allie caught me.
Everyone was making fun of me saying that I threw you under the bus. But they just didn't know Allie was going to destroy me if I didn't say.
Swings too much.
You use your arms too much there, Wyatt. We couldn't do it. Let me ask you guys a question. I want to see if this has happened to you. Have you ever been to a fast food restaurant? And I'm not gonna say names. I'm not gonna point blame, but it rhymes with Smurgerbing. You pull up, you look inside, and you can see inside. You know what I mean? Oh my God! I saw the grossest thing I've ever seen. This person sneezed all over their hands, and then grabbed my food, and then proceeded to give it to me. And I literally looked at it, and then I just drove around and threw it in the trash. It was the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in the restaurant industry. And I used to work at Chili's for the longest time, and working in the kitchen, you see some pretty gross things. I mean, like it or love it, restaurants are you can't be completely clean on all restaurants. Actually, Chili's was pretty nice, but I mean, it's still pretty kind of grimy and gross. I don't know. It was just so gross. I feel like I lost my appetite. I'm not hungry anymore. Ugh, it just grosses me out. I'm sorry. I had to share it, and I wanted to see if you had any other horror stories from fast food or just restaurants in general. So let's do story time. Story time with the CTFXC, and we can share and gross each other out. Oh, I mean, it was all, ugh. That guy over there keeps looking at me. Is it that weird that I'm talking to myself? Maybe if I started doing this and I'm having a rave in my car, that's a little weird. See, everything happens for a reason. That disgusting thing made me remember that that I'm not supposed to be eating. I'm supposed to be eating good, remember? You guys, you almost let me do it. I know you guys really don't have that much of a choice, but no, see, I'm eating healthy. Got a salad instead. I'm still doing it. Are you still doing it? No fast food, eating healthy? Come on, if I'm doing it, you better be doing it. Hey guys, so if you haven't checked out our latest skit on youtube.com/CharlesTrippy, make sure you go check it out because we're giving away a bunch of free awesome stuff. And everyone likes free stuff. So go check it out, enter, it's free, and it's awesome. So thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow, as always, for 626 days. Thank you for watching.
Now it's time to sit down and view the coolest couple that is on YouTube. Can't wait to see what you did today. It's coming up, I can hardly wait. The internet killed the TV, and we'll keep thumbing up. 'Cause you and me, we're CTFXC. Gotta view the vlogity with Charles, Trippy, and Allie. 'Cause you and me, we're CTFXC. Gonna share the interwebs with Charles, Trippy, and Allie. Don't forget Zoe and Marley.